Well, we are here at the Hyatt Regency in Schaumburg, Illinois. Check this out. We've got this original service elevator with a very cool looking indicator or lantern there. Let's go to 5. Cool cab.
Back down to 1.
I like the cabinet lock.
Cool. That's a beautiful shape for a service elevator.
Yeah.